Hey, what is good, my friends? Welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a little mini benchmark on the Asus G16 2023 model. And why the 2023 model, you might ask, is because the 2024 model pretty much is no upgrade. The new CPU barely increases your FPS or gives you more performance, and the price is much higher. So this is probably the laptop you want to go for. And this is a mini clip I recorded yesterday, and I'm just going to play it for you. We're playing on low settings. Hello. I just like to put anti-aliasing on because it makes the edges much sharper. And well, this is my my ace I made when playing the game yesterday on this laptop. And the screen is incredible. It's a really good screen for a laptop this price. There's also I think it's like a 2023 model, but with 2024 specs. You can find the link in the description. It's got more storage. Might be a good deal, so make sure to check that out. And you won't believe how the last guy didn't kill me. Let's just play it. Also the FPS, really, really good. Very, very steady. That guy scared me there. He should have killed me there. He should have killed me now, but he hasn't. He missed his shots and I won the game. So that was it for the mini benchmark. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you did, and make sure to check this laptop out if you're looking to buy a very cheap laptop with really good performance at this very moment. Thank you all.